Hey y'all, it's Sekoya. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be straightening my hair. Yay! Aren't you excited? I'm going to be using the Marvelous Oil by Garnier Fructis, and this is definitely almost empty because I've been using this oil for quite a long time and it works for me. So I'm just going to be pouring a pea-sized amount into my hands. After you all see the results, if you want to purchase this oil, definitely click the link in my description box and you can purchase that directly from Amazon. The oil is like $5 on there, like $4.90 something. But of course with taxes, it's probably going to come up to $5 or $6. So after I applied the oil to a section, I definitely detangle with my paddle brush and begin to blow dry. Now, I did start with completely dry hair because I let my hair dry overnight after I colored my hair purple. That video is up on my channel, so check that out after you check this video out. I know my hair doesn't look purple, just it's okay. It is actually purple in the sunlight. But anyway, after I detangled, I'm blow drying, and I am using my blow dryer on high heat simply because you want to ensure that your hair is as straight as possible before you begin to flat iron. That's going to make sure that your hair has body and it's super straight. You don't have kinks, and you know it's just flowing as it should. So after I do that section, I'm going to clip it so that it can be kind of out of the way, and then move on to the next section and do the same thing. I did apply oil on both sections, so you're not going to see me applying the oil here. I'm just going to go ahead and start blow drying. So as I was blow drying this section, some of the hair from my other section got a little bit tied in, but it's fine. I didn't have any hair breakage or anything like that. You also want to make sure that you flip your hair upwards and get the kitchen in the back. For my ethnic people, you know what I'm talking about. And I do the same when I get to the front as well. So after I finish blow drying the back of my hair, I will clip that away and then start on my front. Put more oil on the front, get it good and saturated, but not too much, y'all. You don't want it stiff, okay? All right, so after it is in there, go ahead and do the same thing. Detangle and then blow dry, and make sure that you are getting your edges. And then something else that I want to point out that I have pointed out in my previous videos is this. Hair holds memory, okay? So if you want a side part, you want to make sure that you are blow drying where you want your part to be. Today I wanted a middle part, so I just made sure that my hair was sectioned and parted in the middle. Of course, at the end I'm going to make sure that the part is completely straight and how I want it. But if you want a side part, make sure that you section your hair off that way so that your hair falls the way you want it to fall. So after I'm done blow drying my whole head, I'm going to clip the front away because I'm going to start in the back like I usually do. I'm using my Hana Professional Flat Iron that I've had for like 10 years now, and it is still kicking, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I love that flat iron. So at this point, it's time to begin flat ironing, and I am parting my hair across. I usually part about 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick in width, and I part this way because your sections don't have to be super small. I know that in my first tutorial or first video of me straightening my hair, I made super small parts, but that wasn't really necessary because my flat iron was quality and it got super hot, so it's gonna get through all of the strands of hair. There's no need to part super thin parts. It's fine. Okay, so I start as close to the scalp as I can without burning myself most of the time, because sometimes I do get myself, and you will see a little later in the video where I did get myself a few times, but it's okay. Start as close to the scalp as you can. I flip my hair up and make sure that I get the kitchen again, because I might want to put my hair up in a ponytail one day, and you know, I want all of my hair to be straight because that's the point of straightening your hair. Don't judge me because I know that my ends look extremely raggedy, but the next video that will be posted after this will be me cutting my hair. I cut off about 2 to 3 inches, I believe, something like that. But either way, I needed a trim severely, as you can see. So, like I said, don't judge me, don't come for me in the comments. That video will be posted next. So again, I am starting as close to my scalp as possible without burning myself most times. And I do still use the chase method, and that is when you chase your comb with your flat iron, and you want to make sure that your comb is on the side closest to the ends of your hair. This will ensure that your hair is as stretched as possible and your hair gets as straight as possible. And I know you guys can see that I missed a small piece on the right hand side. I did not notice that at all while I was straightening my hair. I am just noticing this now while editing the video. Like, I did not know that I missed a piece. However, it blended quite well, so it was not detectable and everything worked out okay. You're going to be seeing me pat my scalp a lot, and that is just to ensure that what I'm straightening is actually getting straight. So if I feel a spot and it doesn't feel like my straight hair, it feels more like my natural hair or my blown out hair, I'm going to go back over it with the flat iron. So that's why I continue to pat my roots. So just don't mind that. So now I'm going to be quiet and let y'all enjoy the video and a little bit of the music, and I will come back in a few moments. At this point, I have 3/4 of my hair done, but once I do each front section, I do like to go back and do my edges because I want my edges to be as straight as possible. And these parts are the parts that I was talking about when I like burn myself a little bit, my scalp, because you know, like my edges are not as long as the rest of my hair, so it's kind of hard to just like not burn yourself. I don't know. This section wasn't as bad. Just wait until I get to the next section. Ugh, it's awful. All right, here we go. Just watch my facial expressions. I promise you they will tell everything. I was so ready to be done at this point. Like, I was getting mad at myself. But I promise I don't do my clients like this, okay? I promise. All right, so it's time to straighten. Not straighten because we did that. It's time to part. It's time to get a straight part. That's what time it is, okay? After I do that, because hair holds memory, I have to press the side, the one side that the hair wasn't originally falling towards with the flat iron so that it could be flat. And then in order to prevent flyaways and to make my hair shine a bit more, I just add just a smidgen of oil and add that to the top of my hair and some on the ends. And then at this point, I'm just playing with my hair and, you know, just admiring the body. You know, I think that getting your hair straightened is equivalent to getting long nails for the first time. Like, you know how you want to tap on everything, you just want to make a lot of noise? Yeah. So look, the ends of my hair, like I said, look awful. Don't come for me. Next video will be me making them look way better, okay? But I still had to give you a slow-mo. Okay? Okay. And here I am again, just like being really extra, like I just got nails, but I just got my hair straightened. Well, I just straightened my hair, and people need to know. So you got to make the extra head and neck movements and then chill for a minute and then come back and be extra. Like, what was said? Oh. Okay, that's it, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.